Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this Python programming series of video shorts, we are going to see the finally block in Python. So what does this finally block in Python is, right? So let's see a bit quick theory that finally block always runs whether an error occurs or not, right? So we saw about try and exit block, right? That try where we are having some errors, so that code of block we are writing out within try and except is something which is handling the errors, right? So if you are just going to use the finally block, so whether an error occurs or not, finally block is going to run, okay, in any case. So it's used to write clean up code like closing files, releasing resources, or printing a final message. So basically, it's used out to write the cleanup code or like closing files, releasing resources, or printing a final message. So when can we use the like why when does finally run? Okay. So if try block runs successfully, finally will run. Okay. If except handles an error, then also finally is going to run. Okay, so if try block runs, then finally will run. If except is running, then also finally will run. Even if there's a return or break, finally runs still. Okay, so this is the syntax we need to write the try. Whatever code of line you can just write, except, okay, whatever the line of code you have you can write, and you can give the finally keyword and whatever the statement you have desired. Let's just move towards the Visual Studio Code and let's just see a quick example. I'm having a try block here which is going to just get the division error, okay, except the division error. So I'm just trying to here divide out 10 with 0. Okay, so of course this is, okay, let me just okay, let's just try to divide 10 by 2. Okay, not the division error. And I'm going to just get the except that I just want to print out in case this error, if here error occurs, so except block will run, which is error occurred. So yes, else I can just use out my finally block. You can see finally is already suggested by ID. So I'm just going to print out my this is always running. In case if I'll just try to run the program, you can see that my finally block will run always and always. Here try block is not run, I mean is not executed, nor except block is executed, right? But finally runs because x is divided by, I mean 10 is divided by 2 is not an error, right? So except is also not running because no error is there, right? So that's why finally run. Okay, so I hope you guys understood the concept of finally block. Thank you.